How to buy in bulk on AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy in bulk on AliExpress. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your AliExpress and make sure you're logged in into your account. After you've done that, you will actually need to, contact or communicate with the suppliers. So for that, you can just search for a product that you like. So let's say that I like this watch and I would like to now order it in, a large scale. So what I can do is search for its supplier. So if you scroll down, you should find the supplier's information. And if you don't, it's completely all right. You can simply go ahead and find it somewhere else. So as you can see, I finally found a seller right here. So I have just found the store. If I tap on visit store, I'll just be on their store like this. Now, to communicate with the seller or the supplier, you can simply tap on this icon right besides the follow, and you can now chat with the store. So you can ask them for the prices. You can even ask for discounts and stuff. You can negotiate, and you can use this message center to inquire about the bulk pricing. You can also inquire about the minimum order quantity and also the shipping options. So you can talk about it on this very message center, and it is also recommended to request large samples. So also request samples before you order anything in huge quantity. So after you get the order, after you get it in small quantity, you can then ask them for a bigger quantity which you can later sell. So yeah, that's what is recommended, guys, and that's basically it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye. Take care.